Hello people! So today's video is going to be my, always forget what month it is, April beauty favourites. Don't have tons, I feel like I say that every month, but these are just the products that I'm so obsessed with and I've really been liking this month. So if you want to see what my favourites are, then be sure to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up as well. I'm not going to talk for ages, so we'll just get into it. So the first product is actually a moisturiser. This is from Garnier and it's their new like vegan range that they've come out with, and it's the organic argan moisturiser. So it's just a little tube like this. I think it's for face and body. I really like this so much. I'd say it's like a medium consistency because it's a tiny bit thick, but it's not too thick where you can really feel it on your face and it just feels really heavy and those kind of gross thick moisturisers. It doesn't feel like that whatsoever. It's just kind of very moisturising, but it soaks into the skin so nicely that it feels lightweight, but it's really rich in moisture as well. Just say on the bottle that it's rich argan. I just feel like the moisturiser itself is really rich, so it feels really nice on the skin. Skin's been going a bit dry again randomly. I don't know what is wrong with my skin, honestly. I've been getting some dry patches again and I've been using this. I've been using it as like a daytime moisturiser. I haven't been using it at night because I've got my CeraVe, which is just my go-to. But this doesn't have SPF though, that's the only thing, and it is starting to get a tiny bit more sunny in the UK, so I've been using a SPF moisturiser as well. But when I haven't been using that and the weather's a bit more dull, I've been using this and I really like it. And it's drugstore, it's super affordable, it's cruelty free, it's vegan. What more do you want really? Like it's just really good and I do like it. I've got some other stuff from their range to try. I think I've got like the cognac sponge, and they do like a bunch of mists and that as well, so I want to try them because I love mists and sprays and that kind of stuff. So yeah, I really like this. It smells really good as well. It doesn't smell like, well, I don't know what argan actually smells like, but it just has a very nice fresh nature like smell to it, but it's really nice and it's not gross, so that's good. What else we got? So I've got some, to be fair, they're all skin products, like face products. I don't have any eye products whatsoever. A face primer, which I didn't think I was gonna ever have this in a favourites video, to be fair. It's the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. This has been out for a few months now. Everyone was raving about it. It was supposed to be like a dupe for like the Tatcha Silk Canvas one or whatever. I don't know, I don't have that. This has been the only primer I've been using for like the whole month. Like, I don't know, I just thought I need to use it a bit more and test it, and I feel like, I can't really remember, but I did a first impressions just on this primer. I'll leave it in the description box. I feel like I just thought it was okay. I wasn't like overly obsessed with it. I didn't notice a huge difference in my skin or anything, but I feel like now my skin's a lot better and it's a lot smoother than it was back then, and I noticed such a difference when I use this face primer. It seriously smooths out the skin so nicely. Like, obviously I just put it on my cheek area. I don't use it, like, I don't put too much there because I know some of these like poreless primers and that can make you a bit oily throughout the day. I don't think this one does, to be fair, because there have been days where I put loads of it on. My nose and then my chin, they're kind of like the main points that I like want to blur out on my skin, and oh my god, I notice such a difference now, and like my foundation just applies so nicely over top, and I'm obsessed with it. I really like it. Not a big fan of the packaging. I think I mentioned this in that video because you don't have to scrape it out. I just use something else to I can't put my fingers and stuff like this. I don't like it. But I also said this in that video, but I don't know how else they would have done the packaging. I mean, packaging is just a tiny thing, but I'm okay with it because the product is so good and it's really affordable as well. I think it should probably be back in stock on the website. I'm not 100% sure. It's been out for a few months now, so maybe the hype's kind of calmed down, so you might be able to get it now. I don't know, but it's really good and I like it. So then this, again, didn't think I was gonna love this as much as I do, but this is the Catrice Light Correcting Serum Primer and it's in the shade Sunlight, I believe. So this, obviously it says it's a primer serum. I don't really use it as a primer. I kind of use it as like a liquid highlight, and I will just, once I've got my primer already on and my moisturiser and all that, but underneath foundation, I'll just apply it to the tops of my cheekbones, kind of above my, kind of the arch of my brow, nose, sometimes a bit on the chin if I want a bit of highlight, and then on my cupid's bow as well. They're the places where I apply it, and then I just kind of tap it out with my finger. I don't use a brush or anything. And this is so nice. I love how this looks just alone or with foundation on top. I've been wearing this alone a lot. Like if I don't even want foundation on, but I just need to go out quickly and I just want like a bit of like a natural radiance to my skin, I'll just throw a bit of that on and it looks really nice and it makes me look really healthy. Like this, as well as it being really affordable, like you can just use it for so many different things. Like you can use it without makeup, like I've just said. You can obviously mix it in with foundations. You can just use it under foundation, on top of foundation. Like it does so many things and it's so affordable and it's great, and yeah, really good. Really like that. As we're just talking about Catrice, I'll just get the other products out of the way. This is the long-lasting multi-talent fixing spray from Catrice. This is one of my favourite setting sprays ever. So affordable. It's got one of the best like spray mists ever. And I actually love the setting spray as well. I feel like it. It's really good and it's so affordable, and just the mist on it is really good. Like it's a slow releasing mist. And I'm really picky with mists, alright, but it's a good mist. I know my mists. That's a really good one, and I feel like it just gives your skin like an overall glow as well. If you're someone that doesn't like that, then you might not like the spray, but I feel like it's kind of like the Morphe one, where I feel like it sets your face but it doesn't just like cook the life out of it either, which I feel like sometimes the Urban Decay All Nicer can do that. I feel like if you put too much on, I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like it just sucks a bit out of your skin, but this one kind of adds hydration, so I think it's kind of closest to the Morphe one, so I've really been liking that. I really like that a lot. I do have the illuminating one as well, but that adds literally like a highlight to the skin, and most days I already have a highlight on, so that's why I've been using this one. So affordable. I think everything, oh my god, all of my favourites are affordable. Wow, everything is affordable. Oh no, my lipstick isn't, but we've done well other than that. So the last affordable thing that is my favourite, and then I've literally just got the lipstick, this guy right here. So Milani have released like a bunch of new products. The UK hasn't got the concealers yet, or the bronzers, which I really want to try, especially the concealers, but they've also released, I think there's only two, but they've released two on the Beauty Bay website anyway, of their new baked blushes. Well, they're the same formula and everything, they've just added two new shades. That's what I was trying to say. One was a bit lighter. This is the deeper one of the two. It looks like a very nice bronzy berry shade, I'd say, and obviously it has a sheen to it because it's that same baked formula that Milani do. So this one is in the shade 15. It's Sunset Passion. I don't know, it's in a different language. It's just so nice. The formula, I already know that I was gonna love it, but I just love this shade. I'm wearing it today. I don't know if you can actually tell. I haven't got highlight on. I'm not wearing this either, so the glow that I've got on my cheek is literally just from this blush. It's just one of those products where you don't need highlight when you're wearing this, so it's really good if you're on the go. And because of the tone of it, I feel like it's got like a bronzy undertone in it. You might really not need bronzer either, so it can literally act as like a bronzer, blush and highlight all in one, like quite a natural bronzer. So yeah, it works really nicely, so I'm obsessed with this colour. But yeah, I really want to try the concealers and all that kind of stuff, but obviously us people in the UK get everything 10 years later, so I'll be waiting for those. The last product is a lipstick that, it's not new whatsoever. It's such an old lipstick. It's such an old popular lipstick, but I've just been wearing it non-stop. It's the MAC lipstick in Velvet Teddy. I know, it's such an old, raved about lipstick. I've had this for so long. I've been wearing it throughout the years, but I don't know what it is with this month. I'm wearing it today. I've just been wearing it so much, and it's just been like the main lip product that I've been reaching for, and I just really like it. I've kind of got into like pinkier lip colours at the minute. Usually I like my brownie tanner kind of nudes like for lips, but I don't know, I kind of like pink a bit these days. I don't know if it's just kind of like the summer, I don't know. I'm wearing it a lot, and to be fair, I really like the MAC's formulas for the lipsticks. I just find them really nice and comfortable, and I think they're really good and long wearing as well. So I've just been wearing Velvet Teddy a lot, so that is it. I know it wasn't a lot, but they're good stuff, especially this Garnier moisturiser. Always just really good. I'm proud of this the most because It's really affordable, it's so good, and it's cruelty free and it's vegan, so probably proud of this the most out of everything. That is it for all of my favourites for this month. If you've tried any of these or you want to try any of these, if you have any thoughts on any of these, let me know, leave me a comment. And yeah, that is it for the video. If you did enjoy it, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and also make sure that you're subscribed as well. And I'll see you in my next video.